VirtualBoss can automatically adjust your schedule when delays or changes occur. In order for this to happen, you will need to use task linking. Linking tasks allows you to set dependencies on when certain tasks are supposed to start. For example, if you have one task that must be started after another is completed, you will want to link these together. Alright, in this example we have 5 tasks. They have start dates but are not linked together. What I'm going to show you how to do is link these tasks together in a few different ways. First, we'll go to the Gantt chart. This is one method you can use to link tasks, and most find this to be very easy. On the left hand side you have a list of your tasks. On the right hand side you have the bars representing the duration and when they start. To link these tasks together, you can simply click on the bar representing the task and drag it up or down. Letting it go on top of another task will initiate a link between the two. If you just hit yes, a linking bar appears between the two tasks, signifying that they are linked together. Now, if a delay occurs in the first task, in this example dig hole for foundation, we move this up a few days, build foundation is moved ahead automatically. And you could do it again with backfill if you want to link this to build foundation. You can drag it up, you can let it go anywhere on the line, doesn't matter where. And it's going to set a link between backfill and build foundation. And so you can see any delay in a schedule will automatically update any tasks that are linked together. I'll go ahead and link together rough frame house and deliver rough lumber package. Again, I'm just dragging the bar up and letting it go on top of the other task, creating a link. And we'll do it one more time. And now any change we make to the schedule to any of these tasks is going to update the rest of them automatically. So you can see making changes to linked tasks will quickly allow you to adjust your entire schedule without having to edit every single task. And you can even leave gaps. You don't have to have them start directly after the other one finishes. You can have it start a few days later if you want, and even a few days earlier. Going back to the task list here, I'll show you another method to link tasks that's less visual but will accomplish the same results. Any one of the tasks, just go ahead and double click to edit them. And you go to the scheduling tab near the bottom. And if the task is already linked to something, it will have the information down here showing you which task it's linked to. But if we want to link it to another task, we'll go ahead and hit select task to follow. This will bring up a list of tasks that you are able to link it to. So right now you can see it's linked to number 3, backfill, and this might be a good time to cover the difference between task ID and task number here. The task number is, well, let's start with task ID. The task ID number, which is the first column here, is a unique number for each task. This number is given to a task when it's created and it can't be changed. When you link tasks, use the task ID as a way to make sure the right task is being selected. You'll never have duplicate task IDs, so when you select task ID number 3, even if you have multiple backfill tasks, you know that this is the one that you want. The task number, on the other hand, is primarily used as a method to sort and maintain a schedule's order. You can have duplicate task numbers, and these numbers can be changed. When you first start using VirtualBoss, task ID numbers will be low, and you may think to use these as a way to order your schedule. We highly recommend you do not do this, rather use the task numbers instead. The task IDs will eventually lose their logical order, and task numbers make more sense to order your tasks with. Alright, so going back on track here, we're going to go ahead and unlink task number 3, and we'll link it to task number 2 instead. And we'll hit OK. So now you have linked task number 4 here, or task ID number 4, to task ID number 2, build foundation, and then hit apply. So you can link tasks within the tasks themselves by editing, or you can go to the Gantt chart and you can edit the tasks this way as well by manually dragging and dropping the bar.